And now it's time for Jose's Theater. And now, here's the host of the show, Jose. Oh yes. Hello, thank you. Hello there, and welcome to Jose's Theater, and a happy fall. And today, on Jose's Theater, can you guess what we're reading about today? Here are the clues. A flashlight. We have a flashlight, and then a tent, right? Yeah, and a sleeping bag. Yeah, can you guess? That's right. We're reading about camping, right? And today we're reading Maisy Goes Camping. In fact, today we have some special guest stars from Blue's Clues. It's Blue. Say hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. And we have Maisy. Say hi, Maisy. Hi, Maisy. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready, Blue? Ready, Maisy? Okay. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. Maisy Goes Camping by Lucy Cousins. Here we go. Alright. One day, Maisy decided to go camping. Look, she's excited to go camping. And all of her friends came along. They found the perfect place to make a camp. Look, they found the perfect spot. They're so happy. Pitching a tent is not easy, but everyone worked together. Look, they're working together to make the tent. They're so nice. Oh no, the tent fell down, so they tried again. And again until the tent stayed up. Good job, everyone. Look at that. The tent is up. Whoopee! Sorry about that. So that night, they sang around the campfire, and then it was time for bed. Look at that. The campfire. Cyril went in first with his flashlight. One in the tent. Next came Charlie, watched the pegs. Two in the tent. Look at that. One and two. What's next? Look at that. Then it was Tallulah's turn. Three in the tent. Make room for Maisy. Four in the tent. Look at that, see? Is there enough room for one more? Come on, Eddie. Oh no. Five in a what a squash. What a squeeze. What a squeezy. Squished, squashed. Oh no. What's next? Five in the tent. Good night, campers. But then, all of a sudden, the tent went. Pop out came Cyril. Pop out came Charlie. Pop out came Tallulah. And pop out come Maisy. Good night. One in the tent. Four under the stars. Good night. Sleep tight, campers. Hoot, hoot. Good night, Owl. Good night, everybody. The end. Well, did you like the story? I sure did. Did you like the story? B-L-U-E Blue. Ba-bum-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Did you like the story, Maisy? Yeah. Wow, they sure are happy campers. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Join us again next time for another episode of Jose's Theater. So until then, keep on reading. Well, until next time, this is Jose Blue from Blue's Clues, and Maisy signing off until next time. So, bye-bye. Say goodbye, Blue. Bye-bye, say goodbye, Maisy. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sleep well.